Mahmood Qureshi to deliver his statement. Please, Excellency.
Distinguished co-chairs, foreign ministers of Heart of Asia participating countries, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this Heart of Asia-Istanbul Process Ministerial Conference. At the outset, let me thank the government and people of Tajikistan for their gracious hospitality and excellent arrangements in organizing this conference, despite serious health and logistical challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has disrupted social and economic order on a scale not seen in living memory. Our prayers are with those who have lost loved ones and those who are struggling with this deadly virus. Excellencies, Heart of Asia-Istanbul Process is an important platform bringing, participating and supporting countries together to advance shared goals of peace, stability and prosperity in Afghanistan. We value the CBM's led process and are committed to its steady progress. For us, Afghanistan is an important neighbor and a brotherly country with strong historical links. No other nation could claim to have such immutable bonds with Afghanistan and thus more desirous of peace and progress in Afghanistan than Pakistan. Excellencies, as we gather here today, the Afghan peace process stands at a defining juncture. Having faced conflict and instability for over 40 years, Afghanistan has never been so close to turning the tide. In September 2020, we witnessed a gathering of Afghan parties in Doha, which was unthinkable before. The gathering was preceded by another milestone when the US-Taliban peace agreement was signed in February 2020. The progress made thus far has indeed created a historic opportunity for the Afghan leadership to achieve an inclusive, broad-based and comprehensive negotiated political settlement. We have arrived at this stage guided by the conviction that there is no military solution to the conflict in Afghanistan. It is imperative that this belief continues to guide the Afghan parties and the international community supporting the aspirations of the Afghan people. In our outreach to Afghan leaders across a wide spectrum, Pakistan has consistently urged them to remain constructively engaged for securing a positive outcome. Our message to all of them is to take the process forward through good faith, substantive and result-oriented negotiations. Excellencies, we are cognizant that this historic opportunity for Afghan nation is also laced with formidable challenges. We have consistently cautioned against the role of spoilers both within and outside Afghanistan. We remain deeply concerned about the continuation of violence across Afghanistan resulting in loss of precious lives. We fear that any space gained by ISIS and Al-Qaeda could accentuate the threat of terrorism. We are concerned that the risks posed by damaged infrastructure and lack of economic opportunities may undermine the gains made in the peace process. Excellencies, when the Doha Peace Agreement was signed last year, we called it a moment of hope and optimism. It must be our